The title of the poem...
We need to do the intro.
Oh, sorry. Okay. To contrast with all the large, loud, not large noises, kind of large noise, okay. There's and there's a use of not personification, parenthesis, duchy, no, changing tune. It helps what does it help to do? God almighty, shares her piglets, his old selves, as he's younger. No, not I can't say that. If you cook your goose, it means that you've basically, what does it mean? This was a very important meeting for the two. Most of the stanzas rhyme, and it needs to be takeawayable. Liz Lochhead explores the themes of pine. Another theme of the poem that is referenced in this part is that of the supernatural. No, it's terrible.